What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, The Smoking Beard here with another video to make your life a whole lot easier. Today, I'm excited to announce that I've partnered up with Super Clean Tough Task Cleaner-Degreaser for a holiday giveaway you don't want to miss. Keep watching to find out how you can win some of Super Clean's products of your very own. But before we jump into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of the latest content the channel has to offer. So I've been working with Super Clean for the past couple of years, showing you how powerful their products are and how I use them in my everyday life. And if you've been following the channel for a while, you already know I only recommend products I actually use myself. Let me highlight a few things before I tell you how you can enter the giveaway. Super Clean is rated 13 on the pH scale. That's 40 times stronger than the typical green cleaner and 10 times stronger than the next leading brand. Their product line includes Super Clean Original Degreaser, Super Clean Foaming Degreaser, Super Clean All-Wheel Cleaner, Super Clean Aerosol Degreaser, and Super Clean Floor Absorbent. If something needs cleaning, Super Clean has you covered. Indoor use, it opens drains, removes floor wax, cleans garbage disposals, dirty ovens, and those stubborn scuff marks. Outdoors, it cleans barbecue pits, lawnmowers, and chainsaws. What about auto uses? It cleans engine bays, rims and tires, auto parts, undercarriage, you name it, Super cleans it. And finally, RV and marine. Inboard, outboard engines, water stains, diesel, and exhaust stains all handled with ease. No matter what you're trying to clean, Super Clean has a product for that job. And now, what you've all been waiting for, the giveaway. Super Clean is giving away some of their most popular products for you to try at home. Entering is very, very simple. Like this video and drop a comment below. That's it. You've been entered into a random drawing, and if you're the lucky winner, Super Clean will ship the products right to your doorstep. Good luck, and may the odds be ever in your favor.